Ever wondered how crucial data management can be in an IT firm? Let's consider a case study of a leading IT firm in Europe. With over 100 employees, this company provides a wide range of services, including e-commerce, retail business, marketing, and consulting. They faced a significant challenge: creating a data pipeline to sync live data from FieldPulse to Google Data Studio using GCP and MySQL. This was crucial for their business operations as it would allow them to update their business dashboard in Google Data Studio in real time. But how could they achieve this? Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Enter the solution: a data pipeline between FieldPulse and GCP MySQL. This pipeline uses web scraping to fetch live data from FieldPulse, converting the raw data into a JSON format and then a data frame. New tables in GCP MySQL are then created and the data is inserted or updated accordingly. This pipeline is deployed in a GCP VM instance, ensuring that the data gets updated every hour from FieldPulse to MySQL. But what happens when this data needs to reach Google Data Studio? A connection is established between GCP MySQL and Google Data Studio, allowing for the seamless flow of data. Upon completion of the project, the client was provided with a deployed data pipeline in GCP and a log file in the cloud to quickly resolve any unexpected errors. The project was not without its challenges. With no open source package or library in Python for accessing the FieldPulse API, the team had to resort to web scraping. They explored all the API addresses, connected to each possible address, and extracted the data. This process involved fetching multiple extra tables and joining them to get the desired data table. To wrap up, the key takeaway from this project is the importance of efficient data management. The creation of the data pipeline has allowed for real-time updates of business data, providing the client with an invaluable tool for their operations. This project showcases the power of data management and the significant benefits it can bring to an IT firm. This solution was designed and developed by the Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm based in New Delhi. For more information, please visit www.blackcoffer.com. Remember, in the world of IT, data is king. And with the right tools and expertise, you too can harness its power. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.